What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create and configure a child WordPress theme. So basically all the WordPress themes that you install on your WordPress appearance themes are parent WordPress themes, okay? The main file. However, if you want to edit the codes, you may need a child theme to not lose the customizations that you do while theme updates. So imagine that I would like to create a child theme of our architect WordPress theme. If you go to Visual Model, for example, you can download the theme, the main file, and we give the child theme. But not all the developers do it. So how to create one for you for free without coding? This is what we're gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not choose internet on a site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over plugins, and click on Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to keyword, there is a field called Search Plugins. Right here, we're gonna type Child Theme Configurator, and here is the guy that we're gonna be looking for. For you, you're gonna be able to see a button called Install Now. So we're gonna click on it, and after this, you're gonna click into the Activate button. After this, you're gonna click into the Activate button once again, and this is gonna redirect you to the plugins list. A list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, and here is the plugin active. Now review the left sidebar of menus once again, scroll it down just a little bit, and next to users you're gonna be able to find a menu called tools. Right here we're gonna hover our mouse over and click on child theme. And first thing now it's create a new child theme, only option. Second step, select parent theme. So I have 3 themes installed on my site. I would like to create a child theme for my architect WordPress theme. So now analyze the parent theme. Click onto the analyze button. The theme appears okay to use child theme. The theme does not require parent theme. So you can create the child theme, no issues. What gonna be the name? The directly architect child, the best possible name, okay? Select where to save new styles. Parent style, great. Select parent theme style sheet holding, okay? Normally we can do not add or use this option, okay? Use the WordPress style here, okay? The best option right here for you. Advanced holding options. Ignore parent theme style sheets. Do not force. You can customize the attributes in the case that you want, for example, name, theme author, theme website, author website, and the theme description, okay? Again, up to you, okay? And the version you can customize as well. You can copy menus, widgets, customizer, and settings from the parent theme to child. This is very important so you do not lose customizations and options on your site. And after doing all these options, click on Create New Child Theme. Thank you. So child theme has been generated successfully. Important, preview child theme before activating. So you can go to preview option and take a look at your site to double check if there is no any issue, okay? All seems perfect, just like it was onto the parent theme. So all I have to do is click into Activate and Publish. And we are good to go. We can close this by clicking into this X icon. And if you go now to Appearance, left sidebar menus, click into the submenu Themes, you're gonna be able to see that you are using now Architect Child. And here is the parent theme. Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borders plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, for your sites.gallery, a place where you can submit your blog, your app, your landing page, your game, design. Finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, widgets, blocks, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!